Okay, this is another question from what problem leading to simultaneous equation. The length and the width of a rectangle and the ratio of 5:3. If the perimeter is 80 centimeter, calculate 1. The width, 2. The length of a diagonal, 3. The area of triangle. Okay? The solution, you will agree with me that from the first sentence, the length ratio the width equals 5:3, right? It will be L over W, which is the width, which is also known as the breadth, 5/3, right? Right? It means that L will be 3L. When you do your cross multiplication, to be what? 5W. The length is for L, the width is for W, right? So here, you can make L the subject of formula by dividing both sides by 3. It will be 5W over 3. This will be our equation 1, right? From the second sentence, if the perimeter is 80, calculate the width. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2B, right? The perimeter is 80. This is 80, substitute for P equals 80. Equals to what? 2L plus 2B. That is our equation 2. Okay? Now, you are having equation 1 as L equals what? 5W over 3. Now, the whole of L is this. You can substitute L equals 5W over 3 anywhere you see L in equation 2. So here you have 80 equals 2 open bracket 5W, right, over 3, right, plus what? Plus 2B. Okay? If you continue like that, you have 80 equals 10W over 3 plus what? Plus 2B. Don't forget, this B is W. So let's change it to W, right? W and W. The width also means what? Breadth, right? It's the same. So we can change this one to what? To breadth, which is width. Okay? If I multiply all through by 3, I have 240 equals 10W plus what? 6 what? W, right? So if I continue like that, I have 240 equals 10 plus 6, it will give me what? It will give me 16W. So the width will be 240 divided by 16. The width of the rectangle will be 240 divided by 16 to be 15. So this one will be what? 15 centimeter. That is question Roman figure 1. Roman figure 2. Calculate the length of the diagonal. Right? If you have a triangle like this, we have diagonal that goes this way, right? And we have gotten our width to be what? 15. This side is 15. But before we can calculate this, we need to get the length. In equation 1, L equals 5W over what? Over 3. L will be 5, anywhere I see width, 5 times what? 15 over what? Over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So our length is what? 25 centimeter. This place is 25 centimeter. So it will now be easy, more easier for us to find the what? The length of the diagonal. So here, the length of the diagonal, which is I can apply Pythagoras theorem. This is the longest side of the slant height, right? It means that this is the base and this is what? This is the height, right? So it means that hypotenuse squared equals, the adjacent side is 15. 15 squared plus what? 25 squared. So here you have 225 plus what? 625. By the time you add that, 625 plus 225, it will give us 850. 850, that's hypotenuse squared, right? Now the square root of 850, this one will become, by the time this square goes to this side, so we have hypotenuse squared to be 850. The square root of 850 will give us 29.15 centimeter. It means that the slant height is what? Is 29 point. That's diagonal. This is a line that is called diagonal of a rectangle. If another line goes this way, that's another diagonal, right? Now, the last question, find the area. Area of triangle will be half base times height. The triangle is like this. This is the longest side, which is what? 29. The diagonal, 29.15. This is the base, which is 15, which is the width. And this is the height, which is what? 25. So it means that area will be 1/2 times what? 25. 15, the base, right, and the height, times what? 25. So 15 times 25, that's 375. This one will give us 375 divided by 2. Then our answer will be 187, right? 187.5 centimeter squared. Don't forget the unit is squared because you are calculating, calculating for what area. That is how to answer a question like this.